Good morning, students. I am going to teach a pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise 3.5 has been started, and 2 number questions have been solved in previous class. Now I am going to solve 4 number question of exercise 3.5. The question is, a part of monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends upon the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, he has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charge, whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays rupees 1180 as hostel charge. Find the fixed charge and the cost of food per day. Here let us suppose that the fixed charge be rupees X and the cost of food per day be rupees Y. Question number 4. Let the fixed charge be rupees X and the per day charge and the cost of food per day and the cost of food per day be rupees per day be rupees Y. According to first condition, a part of monthly hostel charge is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, he has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charge, whereas a student B who takes for 26 days pays rupees 1180 rupees as hostel charge. Find the fixed charge and the cost of food per day. According to first condition, X plus 20Y, A takes food for 20 days, charge for 1 day is equal to Y. X plus 20Y is equal to first condition X plus 20Y is equal to rupees 1000 as hostel charge, and according to second condition X plus 26Y is equal to 1180 rupees 1100. Here we see that coefficient of x in both equations are same, so subtracting equation 1 from 2, I am going to solve this equation by elimination method. On subtracting equation 1 from 2, we have X plus 26Y is equal to 1180 and x plus 20y. X plus 20y is equal to 1000. So subtracting, sign will be changed, and 6y is equal to 180. So y is equal to 180 by 6. So the cost of food per day is equal to 30 rupees, and putting the value of y, putting this value in one, we get x plus 20 into 30. X plus 20 into 30 is equal to 1000. Yeah, x plus 600 is equal to 1000. X is equal to 1000 minus 6 is equal to 400 rupees. So the fixed charge is equal to, fixed charge is equal to, fixed charge बराबर रुपीज 400, and cost of and per day charge is equal to rupees 30. Here the fixed charge is equal to 400 rupees and per day charge is equal to rupees 30. In question number 4, we let us suppose that the fixed charge be rupees x and the cost of food per day is equal to rupees y. Total cost we are given 1000 rupees. So according to first condition, x plus 20y is equal to 1000 rupees, and x plus 26y is equal to 1180 rupees. Now subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we get y is equal to 30 rupees, and x is equal to 400 rupees. Hence answer. Now 2 number question. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. जब एक भिन्न के अंश से एक घटाया जाता है तो भिन्न 1/3 हो जाता है, और जब 1/4 हर में 1/4 8 जोड़ा जाता है तो भिन्न 1/4 हो जाता है. फाइंड द फ्रैक्शन. भिन्न क्या है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Let the fraction be. Let the fraction be be x by y. Fraction be x by y. Here x is numerator and y is denominator. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. According to first condition, x minus 1 by y, when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, the fraction is 1 by 3. A fraction becomes 1 by 3. So we can write 1 by 3 अथवा 3x minus 3 is equal to y, या 3x minus y is equal to 3. Let us suppose equation number 1. And second condition is it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. So we add its denominator. Second condition, and we add when 8 is added to its denominator, x by y plus 8, x by y plus 8 is equal to 1 by 4. Second condition of this problem, yeah, by cross multiplication 4x is equal to y plus 8, yeah, 4x minus y is equal to 8. Question number condition 2. Here coefficient of y is same, so subtracting 2 from 1, I learn on subtracting 2 from 1, subtracting 2 from 1, 3x minus y is equal to 3, and 4x minus y is equal to 8, subtracting minus plus minus y minus y will be cancelled, minus 4x plus 3x minus x is equal to minus 5, या x is equal to 5. Yeah, on putting this value in equation, putting this value in equation 1 or 2. In equation 1 we have 3x, 3 into 5 minus y is equal to 3, yeah, 15 minus 3 is equal to y, yeah, y is equal to 12. Here numerator obtained is 5 and denominator is equal to 12. Hence the fraction is equal to x by y is equal to 5 by 12. In this way, similarly you can solve the all questions of this exercise. Only 3 questions have been left in this exercise. 3 number, 4 number, 5 number of question number 4. In question number 4, only 3 questions have been left. 3, 4, 5 number. So you will try to You can try to solve this question. I believe that we will success in your work, and in next class I will solve your problem. Thank you.